The Congo River, one of the most significant rivers in Africa and the second longest on the continent after the Nile, holds a central place in the geography, ecology, and history of Central Africa. Stretching approximately 4,700 kilometers, about 2,920 miles, it winds its way through dense tropical forests, expansive savannas, and remote regions, carving a path that has shaped human civilization, wildlife habitats, and commerce for centuries. Its immense length and powerful flow make it a lifeline for millions of people living along its banks. Geographical overview. The Congo River originates in the highlands of the East African Rift, specifically in the region near the Lualaba River in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC. From its source, the river flows in a generally northwestward direction before curving southwest and ultimately emptying into the Atlantic Ocean through a broad estuary. Its drainage basin, covering over 4 million square kilometers, is the second largest in Africa and the deepest on the continent. Remarkably, the Congo River is known for its extreme depth, reaching over 220 meters, 720 feet, in some areas, making it the deepest river in the world. Along its course, the Congo navigates a series of dramatic features, including rapids, waterfalls, and vast floodplains. One of its most famous features is the Livingstone Falls, a succession of rapids near Kinshasa, which prevents navigation in certain sections. Despite these challenges, many parts of the river are navigable and serve as critical transportation routes for communities, particularly in regions where road and rail infrastructure is limited. Historical significance. The Congo River has long been a conduit for human settlement and cultural development. For centuries, local communities relied on its waters for fishing, agriculture, and trade. The river was central to the establishment of various kingdoms and trading centers throughout Central Africa. During the colonial era, European explorers and traders, most notably Henry Morton Stanley, navigated the Congo, mapping its vast basin and facilitating the extraction of natural resources. The river also played a crucial role in connecting inland regions to the Atlantic coast, enabling commerce and the movement of people, though often with severe consequences for local populations during the colonial period. Economic and social importance. The Congo River continues to be a vital economic artery. Its waters support agriculture through irrigation, providing sustenance to millions in the DRC and neighboring countries. Fishing along the river remains a significant source of protein for local communities. Moreover, the river is rich in hydroelectric potential. The Inga dams, located near the mouth of the river, are among the largest hydroelectric projects in Africa, capable of generating immense amounts of electricity for both local consumption and regional export. Plans for further development of these dams aim to transform energy access in Central Africa, although they also pose environmental and social challenges. The river also facilitates transport and trade. Large river boats and smaller canoes navigate the waterway, connecting remote communities and markets. In areas with dense rainforest or poor road networks, the Congo River functions as a lifeline, linking otherwise isolated villages and towns. Ecological significance. Ecologically, the Congo River Basin is one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth. Its forests, wetlands, and tributaries are home to countless species of fish, mammals, birds, and plants. Iconic species such as the Congo peacock, forest elephants, and bonobos inhabit areas along the river, many of which are endemic and rely heavily on the river ecosystem for survival. The basin's complex network of rivers and wetlands also plays a crucial role in global climate regulation, carbon storage, and water cycling. The Congo River's health is critical for sustaining both human populations and wildlife. However, it faces growing threats from deforestation, pollution, overfishing, and the impacts of hydroelectric development. Protecting this vital river system is essential not only for Central Africa but for global ecological balance. Cultural and social impact. Culturally, the river is deeply woven into the traditions and beliefs of the communities along its banks. Folklore, music, and art often reference the river, highlighting its centrality in daily life and spiritual practices. Festivals and rituals sometimes revolve around the river, emphasizing its significance as both a physical and symbolic source of life. In conclusion, the Congo River is far more than a geographical feature, it is the heart of Central Africa. Its immense length, depth, and navigability, coupled with its ecological, economic, and cultural significance, make it one of the most vital rivers in the world. From sustaining millions of people to supporting diverse ecosystems, the Congo River remains a symbol of life, power, and continuity in the African landscape. Its preservation is critical for future generations who depend on its waters for sustenance, culture, and development.